Have you ever been involved in a car accident? Or maybe you've witnessed one. Those moments are chaotic, terrifying, and often the details blur together. Imagine if there was a silent witness, a set of eyes that captured everything: the lead up, the impact, and the aftermath. Today, we're talking about Tesla and whether this futuristic car automatically records accidents. Tesla, a name synonymous with innovation and electric vehicles, has also become a lightning rod for controversy. From autopilot to full self-driving, the company is constantly pushing the boundaries of automotive technology. But what about safety? Specifically, does a Tesla automatically record accidents? It's a question that's been on the minds of many, and we're diving deep to find out. First things first, let's clarify what we mean by automatically record accidents. Are we talking about the car's internal systems, or are we referring to the popular dashcam feature offered by Tesla? It's crucial to differentiate between these two because they serve different purposes and operate in different ways. Tesla's internal system, often referred to as the Event Data Recorder (EDR), is similar to the black box in airplanes. It's designed to capture data about vehicle dynamics, speed, braking, and other relevant information in the event of a severe crash. This data is invaluable for safety investigations and improving vehicle safety. However, it doesn't typically record video footage. Now, let's talk about the dashcam feature. This is where things get interesting. Tesla offers a dashcam option that utilizes the car's external cameras to record video footage of the road ahead. When activated, the dashcam continuously records, and it can save clips of incidents, including accidents. But here's the catch: the dashcam is an optional feature that requires specific settings and a USB drive to function. It's not automatically turned on for every Tesla. So, to answer the question directly, Tesla doesn't automatically record accidents in the sense of capturing video footage of every incident. The EDR collects data, but it doesn't provide visual evidence. The dashcam can record accidents, but only if it's activated and correctly set up. But wait, there's more. Tesla also has a feature called Sentry Mode, which uses the car's cameras to monitor the surroundings when parked. This mode can capture video of incidents like break-ins or vandalism, which could indirectly include accidents that occur near the parked car. However, Sentry Mode is primarily designed for security, not accident recording. Now, let's discuss the implications of these systems. Having a record of an accident can be crucial for insurance claims, legal proceedings, and understanding the causes of accidents. Tesla's dashcam feature offers the potential to provide valuable evidence in these situations. However, it's essential to remember that dashcam footage, like any other evidence, can be subject to interpretation and legal challenges. Privacy concerns also arise. With cameras constantly recording, questions about data ownership and potential misuse become valid. Tesla has outlined its privacy policies, but the ongoing debate about data collection and usage continues. As technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated systems for recording and analyzing driving incidents. Whether it's AI-powered analysis of road conditions or real-time alerts for potential hazards, the future of automotive safety is undoubtedly tied to advancements in recording and data processing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.